Looking for that great summer pasta salad? Here's one with orzo, lemon, and basil. Let me show you how I do it. I'm using a 12-ounce package of orzo pasta, lots of fresh basil leaves, lemon, and a garlic clove, and then we'll add some vegetables of your choice. All right, let's put it all together. We'll get our pasta on to boil in a moment, and we'll start off by making our dressing. So I have about a teaspoon of lemon zest in our processor, and to that I'm going to add 1 garlic clove, about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves. Along with that, we'll get some salt and pepper in there, a teaspoon of kosher salt, and about half the same amount of pepper. And to that we'll add half a cup of lemon juice, freshly squeezed, and also half a cup of olive oil. And we'll just let the olive oil drizzle in. Smells great, looks really good too. And by the way, I'm using some purple and green basil, so we have a little bit of a purple tinge to our dressing, and it tastes just fine. The orzo just has a couple minutes left, and while that's going, I'm gonna chop up some of our fresh veggies. You can use whatever you like here. I'm using some red onions, some zucchini, and a really fun yellow-orange pepper. I'm also gonna throw in some slivered sun-dried tomatoes. All right, orzo is out and drained, and now we're gonna add some veggies and our dressing. We'll add some of the dressing right away. Not all of it, but just enough to make sure we coat our pasta while it's warm and that the pasta doesn't stick together as it sits. Smells so terrific. When that lemon and that basil hits the warm pasta, just so great. Okay, I have about a cup of each item right in. Our red onion, make sure we get all of it. Our zucchini, as well as our pepper. Give our julienne sun-dried tomatoes just a little chop. These tomatoes are not in oil, but I think either work fine. I've also added in the past artichoke hearts, capers, maybe olives. Everything kind of works with this, whatever your tastes are. We'll add a little bit more of our dressing. I might just hold a little bit back in case it gets a little dry later. I just love that fresh lemony taste. And this pasta salad is so good for a picnic or that summer gathering because there's no mayonnaise, there's really no cheese or meat, so it can really sit out at room temperature. But I do like to serve alongside a little feta cheese or maybe some shredded Parmesan for that extra salty kick for those folks that want it. I hope you try making this orzo basil lemon pasta, and I hope you enjoy.